Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create best gig on Fiverr. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click on search right here at bottom right corner and just type Fiverr, right? And you're gonna download or update the app to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and basically if you want to create a Fiverr gig, what you're gonna do first, you need to go ahead and in the gig title field, write the title. First of all, create a Fiverr Pro gig. After you log into my Fiverr, just from the selling menu, click my business and then gigs, click create a new gig. All approved pro categories will be noted with a badge to the right of the category name. Then step 1, in the title gig, write a title up to 80 characters, and basically be sure to include the relevant keywords for your service to get engaged with all the people. In the category drop down menu, select the appropriate category in the subcategory for your gig. All right, and then in the service type drop down menu, choose service type to ensure you appear in the search results related to the category selected. And in the gig metadata base area, you must select the relevant criteria for each topic, and then this tool is only available for specific categories. In the search gig tags field, add the minimum one word or phrase that best describes your work. So, and then click save and continue. So you can now select the scope and pricing, and then basically in the other extra right here, the step 3 description, FAQ to answer some of the common questions, and then basically the requirements right here tell your customers what you need to start the order, and basically the gallery to add cover photo and all that, and eventually you're gonna be able to publish the gig. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.